Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. Got a really good video for you here, and this one will help you with AI. Pretty much any AI that you're using, I'm going to show you with ChatGPT, and I'm going to show you the ultimate prompt, one prompt to rule them all, the Lord of the Rings prompt, and it will give you a prompt that you can use that will give you far better results with anything that you're doing with AI. It's really simple. I'm going to guide you through the structure of the prompt, and I'm going to give you some examples of the output that you get as well. If you like this stuff, if you're interested in building income streams using AI to make it far quicker, do subscribe. Do like the video. I'd really appreciate it, and don't forget to get your 100 AI prompts to build a six-figure affiliate business. These prompts are in the description, and they're the prompts that I've picked out that will allow you to build an affiliate business fast. These are actually tasks that used to take forever, and now you can do it with AI super fast. So get them, they're for free, no catch. You just download them in the description. Okay, so let's get on with the one prompt to rule them all. If there's one prompt that you need to know, it's this one. Let's get on with it. Okay, so one prompt to rule them all is a priming prompt, and let me explain. So before you think, okay, I know what a priming prompt is, there's a few different ways of doing it. For those of you that don't know, it means, as here, priming means setting the context for ChatGPT, so it acts like an expert in the specific field you're working before giving it a task. It matters because without context, I've got some examples for you. ChatGPT will produce generic outputs. When you prime ChatGPT, the responses are more professional and take on. And you can actually go really far with this. I've got some more videos on it, but I just want to give you the ultimate priming structure so you can use it for anything and get better results. And test this out today. Let me know how you get on in the comments. Go and ask to do it. I'll show you how it works. Go and ask ChatGPT to do something, keyword research, and then use this priming structure first and look at the difference in the results. So the ultimate priming structure is URA, and then put what role you want ChatGPT or whatever AI you're using to adopt. Your expertise is in, and then list the specific areas. Your goal is to provide a specific type of content. That might be content, keyword research, niche research, whatever you're doing, copywriting. Follow these steps. Understand the goal. Apply specific tone, style of writing, framework or techniques. So that's what you'd fill in. So you're priming it. Provide detailed, actionable and clear outputs. Begin each task by confirming you understand and asking clarifying questions if needed or if necessary. That's a really big thing as well. Make sure that you have that in there, because otherwise you get it going off and it might give you the wrong output. Make sure that it's confirmed it understands. Here's why does priming work: contextual relevance, depth and clarity, professional output, mimics the tone and style of an expert. Look at the difference. If you were asking for copywriting on a sales page and you asked it to adopt the style of an expert, you're going to get far better results. I'll show you an example, just random here. Example 1, keyword research for a dog camera affiliate site. You've got a basic prompt. Give me keyword ideas for a dog camera affiliate site. You're going to get some good ideas. But look at the difference with a primed prompt. You are an SEO expert with 10 years experience specializing in affiliate niche sites. Your expertise include finding low competition, high converting keywords for Amazon affiliate products. Your goal is to provide detailed keyword research for a dog camera affiliate site focusing on buyer intent and search trends. Start by giving me 10 high conversion, low competition keywords with search intent. And look at this, the output. Best dog cameras, search intent, traffic estimate, compared to just bog standard response. You've got a really good, and then you can go further with that prompt as well. Example 2, copywriting. Write a product description for a smart air purifier. This smart air purifier cleans the air in your home efficiently. It has a sleek design, connects to your phone and helps you breathe easier. Primed prompt. You are a professional copywriter with 15 years experience in creating high converting product descriptions for smart home devices. Your expertise include crafting compelling benefit driven copy that resonates with eco-conscious and tech-savvy customers. Your goal is to write a 150 word product description for a smart air purifier that highlights its features, benefits and how it improves customers' lives. Use persuasive language, focus on the customer pain points and include a strong call to action. And look at the difference. So both of these prompts follow that structure at the top that I showed you. So use that prompt and just adapt it to whatever you need. You can also ask ChatGPT, give me the perfect priming prompt to help me with this task. So you can reverse engineer it and actually ask ChatGPT if you get stuck. I want to carry out some keyword research. I want to know competition levels. I want to know keyword volumes. Give me the perfect priming prompt to make sure that you do a good job of this. Or you can use the prompting template I've given you. And as you can see here, I've got ChatGPT to give you why the primed prompt is better, delivers result aligned with the task and audience. So go and try that, guys. Really, really simple. Use that exact template. Get it to go and write in a bog standard prompt, perform keyword research for this niche, something like that, and then use the primed prompt and see the difference in results. There's more you can do with it. I've got some more videos that take this far further, but that's a really basic but actionable guide that you can use for the one prompt to rule them all. If there's one prompt that you want to use before you get ChatGPT to do anything, it's that one. Go and test. Let me know in the comments how you get on. Get your 100 free prompts. Subscribe if you're interested in building income streams. I've got some live case studies coming, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Cheers, guys.